The tasks that we created, task 1 through 9, sketches, their measurements must be correct. So if I zoom in here, okay, um, you must have the correct radius for circles, okay, or for arcs, and you must have the correct angles, including the height and width. So all these shapes must be correct because later on, each shape that we created will be converted into a 3D object. So task 1 will turn to this, task 2 will turn to this, task 3 will turn to this, and so forth and so on. And so it's important that your sketches right now are correct because later on we are going to convert into parts and the volume must be correct. And so one of the things that we can do to make sure that the objects that you created in Sketch are correct is to find the area. So if you remember this rectangle is the measurement is 2 by 4. Okay, so over here the rectangle is 2 by 4. So if it's 2 by 4, that means that the area will be 8. And we can do that area by opening each each part. And when we open each part, um, let me unhide this first. When we open each part, we can find the area by first going through the steps. First, you're going to select the sketch here. Once it's highlighted, you can see it's highlighted over here. And then over by this right side under the model tab, you can click on fill and it should fill the sketch. All right. After it's filled, you're going to switch tabs to analysis. You're going to pull down measure and select area. And then you're going to point to the shaded region and it should give you the area, which is 8, right? So that's how we can find the area, right? And last step that you're going to do is you're going to keep a record of these areas by going through a screenshot. But before we do that, we will have to press our shift and middle button so we can pan this to the right, okay, like this. We can also select this and then go to the left over here. And the reason why we're doing this is we're trying to look at the name of this part. And in your case, your name should be here before this part number. Okay, so your name should be here. So once we have that, we are now ready to use our what do you call this snipping tool. And for the snipping tool, you will have to type in snip. Okay, snipping tool. You have to type in snip on your AutoCAD, on your Windows search tool or find it on the Windows. So simply select there and it should go, you should go down here and see the snipping tool. If it's not here, then you can search for it using the search tool. Okay, the search tool, I don't know if I can show you the search tool, but in the search tool, you can type here snip and then you should see there and then you can open this and this should open up. Okay, so click new and then we're going to make a screenshot only of this portion. Okay, we're not going to take a screenshot of the whole screen. And once you've taken this screenshot, what you're going to do next is you are going to do a file save as, and you're going to go to your Google Drive, you're going to go to your My Drive, you're going to go to your engineering folder, 10th grade engineering, and you're going to save your file. Okay, you're going to name this your last name, first letter, first name, and then 4455-001 or 200 or 201, whatever that is. Okay, and then you're gonna click save. I'm gonna close this. It's already saved it. So that's how to do it. So then you move on to the next one. So you click open, and then you click on to, I believe the next one is 200, and you can select the sketch here. Okay, or you can select the sketch here. You can just select that and then go to fill. It should fill it. You go to analysis, measure, area, select here, and then hold your shift key and your middle scroll wheel and then move to the left so you can see your name here. Click on this one and drag it to the left here, and then you are now ready to take a picture again. So you will type again on your search tool, snip, and then open, and then click new, and then again take a screenshot, right? And then you're going to do a file save as, and the name is 200. So you're going to type your name and 4455-200, and you're going to click save. Okay, I already have it there. Okay. So next, you're going to go again, move to the next one, and that's going to be 201. And you're going to do the same thing. Select the sketch, you click fill, go to analysis, go to measure and click area and point to the area. Shift pan or pan to the left, pick this up, move it about, and then again go to your snipping tool and create a new snip and then snip again. Okay, your name should always be here, and then you're going to do another file save as. So file save as, and put the name 201, I believe, and then click save. All right. So that's what you're going to do. Now there are shapes that is not fully enclosed. So if we look at our list here, um, 4455-203 is not an enclosed shape. Okay. So to do this, we have to add a temporary line here at the bottom, and I'll show that to you on the next video. Okay.